Today we will talk about horses. Horses were domesticated by humans over 5,000 years ago and have played a crucial role in human history. The domestic horse, Equus ferus caballus, is part of the Equidae family, which also includes zebras and donkeys. Horses can live for 25 to 30 years, depending on their breed and care. The fastest recorded speed of a horse was around 55 miles per hour, 88.5 kilometers per hour, by the Thoroughbred, Secretariat. Horses come in various breeds and sizes, from small ponies to large draft horses, like Clydesdales. Horses have a set of 36 to 40 teeth, with their teeth continually growing throughout their life. Horses communicate with each other and with humans through body language, vocalizations, and neighing. Horses come in a wide range of coat colors and patterns, including bay, black, chestnut, and pinto, among others. Horses are herbivores, primarily consuming grass and hay. Their digestive system is designed for this type of diet. There are over 350 different horse breeds worldwide, each with unique characteristics and abilities. Horses have a single hoof on each leg, and the health of their hooves is crucial to their well-being. Horses are social animals and often form strong bonds with other horses and even humans. Horses are used in therapeutic settings to help individuals with physical, emotional, and cognitive challenges. The oldest known horse on record lived to be 62 years old. Horse racing, like the Kentucky Derby, is a popular sport where thoroughbreds showcase their speed and agility. These are just a few interesting facts about horses, and they have been a vital part of human civilization for centuries.